Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
So dear students, in our last class of trigonometry we have discussed the trigonometric ratios of different angles. So let us discuss in this section what are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. All of you know what are complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then one angle is complementary of the other. So here in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So that means angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle A and angle C are complement to each other. So we can write it as, this implies angle A is equal to 90 degree minus angle C. Or in short form we can write A is equal to 90 minus C. So now we can find the ratios for angle A and for angle C also, then we can compare it. So what is sine A? So sine A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is equal to BC by AC. So cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this is equal to AB by AC. Then tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. So this is BC by AB. Then cot A, 1 by tan A. So this is equal to AB by BC. Then sec A, so this is equal to 1 by cos A. So this is equal to AC by AB. Then what is cosec A? Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. That is AC by BC. So now we will find the trigonometric ratios of angle C. So we can write sin C as sin 90 minus A. Sin C, because C is equal to 90 minus A or A is equal to 90 minus C. So sin C is equal to sin 90 minus A. So what is the value? That is sin C is equal to AB by AC. Then cos 90 minus A is equal to BC by AC. Then tan 90 minus A is equal to, that is AB by BC. Then cot 90 minus A is equal to 1 by tan 90 minus A, that is BC by AB. Then sec 90 minus A is equal to 1 by cos 90 minus A. So this is equal to AC by BC. Then cosec 90 minus A is equal to AC by AB. So now you compare. Sin A is equal to BC by AC. Here also cos 90 minus A is equal to BC by AC. So this is related to this. Then cos A is equal to AB by AC. But sin 90 minus A is equal to AB by BC. Then tan A is equal to BC by AB. Here cot 90 minus A is equal to BC by AB. So this is related to this, or equal to. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. So here sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. So cot A is equal to AB by BC here. Then tan 90 minus A is equal to AB by BC. So this is related to this. Then sec A is equal to AC by AB. So sec A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to AC by AB. Then cosec A is equal to AC by BC, and sec 90 minus A is equal to AC by BC. So from this we conclude that sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A and cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Then cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. Similarly, sec A is equal to cosec 90 minus A and cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A. So we can conclude here. So sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A, or cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A, or cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. Sec A is equal to cosec 90 minus A, and cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A. So you have to remember, so these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. As A and 90 minus A, these are complementary angles. So let us solve some problems by using these ratios of complementary angles. Example, evaluate tan 65 by cot 25. So here we can write it as tan 65 by cot 25. We can write it as tan 65 can be written as 90 minus 25. So divided by cot 25. We have to change either the numerator or denominator. So this is equal to tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this is cot 25 degree by cot 25 degree. So this is equal to 1. Next example, if sin 3A is equal to cos A minus 26 degree, where 3A is an acute angle, find the value of A. So here sin 3A is given. We can write it as cos 90 minus 3A. We can write it as 90 minus 3A because it is given that 3A is an acute angle. That means 3A is less than 90 degree. So sin 3A can be written as cos 90 minus 3A because 90 minus 3A is the complementary angle of 3A. So this is equal to cos A minus 26. So this implies, so in comparing both the sides, we can conclude that 90 minus 3A is equal to A minus 26 degree. So this implies 4A is equal to 90 plus 26. So this implies 4A is equal to 116 degree. So this implies A is equal to 29 degree. So find the value of A. So A is equal to 29 degree. Next example, express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So it is given that cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. So we can write it as cot 85 degree can be written as 90 minus 5 degree plus cos 75 degree can be written as 90 minus 15 degree. So what is cot 90 minus theta? So this is equal to tan theta. So tan 5 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin 15 degree. So this is the answer, as 5 degree and 15 degree are in between 0 degree and 45 degree. So in this way you can solve problems by using the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles.